Good day, Starbizers! Welcome back to your daily dose of the hottest entertainment updates. Today, we are diving straight into some burning celebrity updates involving a veteran actor, his gorgeous and talented daughter, and one of the most talked about leading men in the country. That's right, everyone is buzzing about John Estrada's recent statements regarding Daniel Padilla and his daughter, Kyla Estrada. The veteran actor recently faced the media, and instead of dodging the burning questions about Daniel's current connection to Kyla, John completely opened up. He had nothing but absolute praise for the actor, looking back at their long history in the industry together. Setting the record straight, John confidently shared, "To be honest, I met him before. Dati ko pa kilala si DJ, si Daniel. He's a very good kid. Ang bait na tao, humble, respeto. Wala akong masasabi sa tao." For John Estrada, it isn't about the glitz, the glamour, or the massive stardom. When it comes to the people surrounding his daughter, it is strictly about what's on the inside. He emphasized that genuine personality and a solid backbone are what truly count in life. Reflecting on Daniel's journey in the spotlight, John added, "For me, it's all about the personality and the character of a person. I saw DJ from how he started up to now. Mabait na tao yung bata." Naturally, reporters couldn't help but probe deeper, asking John about the true score and the possibility of a blossoming romance between Daniel and Kyla. He didn't give a definitive yes or no, but he made it clear that he isn't the type of parent to pull the strings in his children's love lives. Giving them his complete blessing to navigate their own path, John simply stated, "If he has something with my daughter, then that's up to them. I wish them well. Wish them happiness. Yun lang naman talaga." When asked about the specific qualities he actually looks for in a potential partner for Kyla, John laid down a beautiful, grounded standard that every parent can relate to. He values faith, deep-rooted family respect, and a strong moral compass over any material success. Explaining his standards, John said, "Dapat importante yung godly person, may takot sa Diyos, may respeto sa pamilya niya, lalo na sa mga magulang niya." It is incredible to see a celebrity father like John Estrada handle these persistent romance rumors with so much grace, maturity, and wisdom. By focusing entirely on character and faith rather than past controversies or issues, John is setting a beautiful example of supportive parenting. Ultimately, every father just wants security and joy for his children, and he beautifully capped it off by saying, "At syempre, yung talagang magpapasaya sa kanya. Because my daughter's happy, I'm gonna be happy for her." What about you, mga ka-Starbiz? Do you think John is right to leave the choice entirely up to Kyla? And would you love to see Daniel and Kyla team up on screen or off screen in the future? Drop your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss showbiz updates. This is Sean, your Starbiz host, signing off.